Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this glowing lettering effect with only colored pencils. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing that you want to do is write your word like so. If you have a kneaded eraser, use that and lightly go over your outline. But if you don't have that, it's fine. You can also use a regular eraser and lightly go over your outline or sketch. Next, go over those letters with a color pencil of your choice. This part is where most of your color is going to be, so when doing it, apply as much pressure as you can to get the most out of the pigment. This part is a little hard to explain, but I'll try to do the best of my abilities. After doing the main outline, go over it with light pressure to kind of create this gradient that we want, which gives off a glowing effect. And now continue on this process with the center being the darkest with the most pigment and the lightest going out to a gradient effect. You can keep tweaking your letters or words until you're happy with how it looks and it really gives off that gradient effect that you want. And repeat the entire process for all the rest of the letters, and you're done! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment for more tutorials like this. And with that being said, thanks for watching!